And I know times like this, you just take it slow.
Okay guys, so we're going to do a rear boot installation today. Now you've probably seen these on the website. I'm going to go with gloss, so I've got that one out ready. We also do matte black and we also do a carbon look. So obviously you'll see these in a minute. We're just showing you which ones we do. So dead simple on this one. It'll be a very short video. So with it, we'll send you some adhesion promoters. So obviously once you've got that, give the boot lid a good clean. And then before you start, and obviously hold your breath because these actually smell really bad. So it's like basically it just gets the glue to stick really well. So obviously you're just going to go over that, all around the edges and down this front where the glue is, and you'll see it'll just evaporate just like that, and you just basically just leave it to dry. So obviously first of all, we always advise test fitting these. Don't take off any of the glue or anything. I won't undo one, but just basically going to make sure that is what you want. Stick it on, have a good look, and then obviously you can go for it. It's a bit cold here today, so it's not evaporating. I'll take a bit of that off with my cloth. So this just basically gets rid of any silicones or anything, polish, wax, etc. that you might have on it before. Now obviously mine's a competition, so it comes with the grey ones, which is a shame to cover, but the black does look a lot better. So here it is. So there we go. So like I say before, the test fit it, make sure it fits up perfectly to the back there, which it does, and then obviously it's just a case of peeling the tape. So once you've got that off, it is fiddly as well, that's why I prepped it, but I didn't do this piece. So obviously when it's freezing cold, once you've got it to this stage, just get a hairdryer or something and just warm up the glue, and that'll just help it promote sticking as well. And just get this last bit off. Which is easier said than done. So when you're going on with this, obviously you can see the stick is on the top and on this bottom edge there. Now because you want that line right against the paintwork basically there, we're going to do it and we're going to just angle it up like that basically. So once you go on, you'll feel the curve there, and just make sure each end is exactly where you want it. There's there. Shifting a bit. And then basically it's just a good press down. So obviously just keep pressing it down until you've got it glued down properly. And there we go, simple as that. So I'll do a couple of cinematics so you can see it, because obviously from this angle it's a bit hard to see. If you want to buy these, they're on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Any questions, feel free to message or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.
And I know times like this, you just take it slow. I fall asleep in the pillows. She got my heart in a chokehold.